In this mat routine, we'll be doing some relaxing stretching moves. This could be great to do first thing in the morning to get some movement into your day, right before bed, or really any time of the day if you want to break up a period of sitting, get down on the mat, stretch things out. You can also add this after another workout. So we're going to just start by sitting comfortably. You can sit any way that's comfortable for you. We'll do some side to side moves here, just putting your weight into one hip and then over to the other hip. Just allowing your body to gently move side to side. One more to each side. And then bring fingertips down to the mat. We're sitting nice and tall, crown of the head to the ceiling. Reaching one arm up to the ceiling, side bend over. We're going to come back to center on our inhale, switch arms, exhale to side bend. And then just follow your breath. Inhale at center, exhale, bend. The next time we come over to one side, we're going to pause there. And then you could bring your arm just slightly forward and maybe gaze down towards your mat, towards the floor, and just hold here for a couple breaths. Looking forward, and then we'll change sides. And again, pausing here, you could bring that arm slightly forward and then look down towards the floor and breathe. Coming back to your side bend and then lifting up, both arms down. We'll roll the shoulders one time, up, back, and down. We're going to make our way into side lying. Just go ahead and lie on one side of the body. You're going to support your head with your lower arm. You can either have your elbow bent or have your head right down onto your arm. And we're going to hover the top leg. Reach your top arm forward, just hovering above the floor. And as you reach the top arm forward, top leg moves back. So we're moving in opposition. And then we're going to switch. So arm's going to move back, leg's going to come forward. And just keep going like that, moving the arm and leg slowly in opposition. And then you could bring your fingertips down, bring your toes down. Pause here. If it's available, you could slide the fingertips a little further and slide the toes a little further. And then let's change position. And again, bringing toes down, bringing fingertips down. Again, maybe they slide a little further. Nice work. And then coming back to center, we're going to bend the top knee and bring it towards the chest, and then let that top leg just come down to the mat. We're going to come into a twist here. So if your head is not already down on your arm, just lower the head down, reach the top arm forward, lift to the ceiling and open the arm coming into your twist. That top leg could lift a little bit, whatever works for you. Let your head come down on the mat. Just let that arm open. It does not have to come down to the floor, just anywhere your body wants to go here into your twist. And then stay here and breathe. We'll have 2 more big breaths. And then coming back to your side, and we'll make our way to the other side. You could just roll over. I'll switch sides here. So again, supporting your head in the way that works for you. We're hovering the top leg, top arm reaches forward, leg moves back, and then we switch arm and leg and switch. So keep going like that, just nice and slow. And the next time the arm reaches forward and leg reaches back, we can bring fingertips and toe down and maybe slide them a little notch further away. And then switch the arm and leg, and again, toes and fingertips can come down and slide. And come back to center. Let your head come right down on that bottom arm. Top knee towards the chest and leg comes down. Top arm reach forward and then up to the ceiling and start to roll onto your back. Let your head come down. Open that top arm. Find your twist. You're not trying to get to any certain place. Just find a nice twist for you. And have 2 more full breaths. And then we'll come back on our side. And we're going to make our way onto our back, so you can just roll over onto your back. And we'll bring both knees to the chest, 1 hand on each knee. And let's just circle our knees, both knees going in the same direction. Use your hands to guide your knees and give your hips and lower back a little massage. And then go in the other direction. And come to center, and we'll let our feet come down and roll onto your side. We're going to come back up to seated, and feel free to sit on a cushion. And come to your comfortable seated position. We'll slowly move the head side to side. Again, you're not trying to get to any certain distance, just slowly moving the head in one direction and then the other. Just turning side to side. And 1 more each way. And come to center. Let's bring our fingertips down. We're going to lift and lower our shoulders, and each time we lower the shoulders, let's just exhale with a sigh. Just let go of tension. Inhale the shoulders up, and 2 more like that. And we'll finish together with 3 big breaths. We're going to lift and lower our arms. Inhale to the ceiling. Exhale down. I hope you feel wonderful, relaxed, flexible, and thank you so much for being here. I look forward to working out with you again.